Today, your guardian angel wants to alert you to a truth that you might not even imagine. There is someone who constantly thinks about you, someone you believe is living the peak of happiness, but the reality is quite different. Behind the smiles and apparent perfection, this person carries an internal storm that you can't even imagine. The angels are showing you that not everything is as it seems. That person who seems radiant on the outside is going through a whirlwind inside. And you, in some way, are part of it. Now the question remains, who is this person, and what do they really feel? Stay with me, because the truth is about to be revealed. This person, in one way or another, has you on their mind more than you can imagine. Even when you talk and they seem distant, trying to act like nothing matters, the facade is just an attempt to hide what they really feel. They might give the impression that they're indifferent, but believe me, the reality is far different from what it seems. In truth, they think about you all the time, and this whole situation leaves them deeply anguished. What happened between you two left scars that seem impossible to ignore. Now this person is drowning in a sea of guilt and shame, heavy feelings that crush their heart every day. They are lost, dealing with a whirlwind of emotions that never seem to end. It's like they're trapped in an endless cycle, reliving every detail, desperately trying to understand where everything went wrong, while also trying to decipher what's really happening inside themselves. This internal battle is so powerful that it reflects in every gesture, in every word. Maybe that's why you see such confusing and contradictory behavior. There are times when they seem interested, but soon after they pull away, as if building a wall to protect themselves from a hurricane of emotions that dominates them inside. This internal confusion makes them constantly oscillate. One day they want to be close to you, maybe even longing for it, but the next day, they feel an almost irresistible need to distance themselves. It's not because they don't care, but because they need that space to try to understand themselves, to try to organize the emotional chaos that consumes them. And you, of course, end up feeling the impact of all this. This emotional roller coaster they are on drags you along, creating an insecurity that seems to grow every day. You need to understand that this emotional roller coaster you're experiencing with this person is not a true reflection of the feelings they have for you. What you're seeing is just the tip of the iceberg of an internal conflict they're facing. Behind all these contradictory and confusing attitudes, there is someone who can't get you out of their head, even if they try to disguise or hide it. They are going through a whirlwind of emotions, a true internal battle between what they feel and what they can express. And I know how frustrating and painful it can be for you to see this person, whom you care so much about, act in such an incoherent way. They come close, then move away, never clearly expressing what they're really feeling. But I want you to know with all certainty that deep down, this person is full of feelings for you. Even if they can't, or maybe don't even want to, admit it, those feelings are there, present in every action, in every look, in every gesture, no matter how subtle. They might not be ready to say in words what they feel, or maybe they're still trying to understand for themselves what's really going on inside them. But don't be mistaken, the emotions they have for you are real, intense, and no matter how much they try to hide it, they end up showing through, sometimes in ways they don't even realize. And it's this emotional complexity that makes them so human, so real. That's why, even in the midst of all this confusion, they keep thinking about you, wanting you, even if they can't express it the way you'd like. Saying, "I won't be fooled," is an act of self-love. By affirming this, you're recognizing your worth and preserving your dignity, regardless of how someone around you behaves or what that person might say. This kind of affirmation is like an internal reminder that, no matter what's happening around you, it doesn't define who you are. You realize that you're not in control of this emotional roller coaster, you're not the one playing with the duality of attraction and rejection, and you're definitely not the one with inconsistent behavior. When you understand this, you begin to see that, in reality, this person thinks about you often. There's a connection there, a genuine attraction they feel for you because your qualities are truly enchanting. Your personality is bright, warm, kind, and you have a sincere way of relating to others. It's no wonder they feel something special towards you. However, What makes this situation complex is that, no matter how much this person recognizes all the good you bring to the relationship, they simply can't reciprocate the way you deserve. And that's not because you're not worthy or deserving, but because they're facing their own internal battles. They struggle with their own feelings, with their difficulties in opening up emotionally, in being present in a complete and genuine way. And it's this internal struggle that prevents them from fully reciprocating what you offer. Even though this may be painful, it's crucial to remember that their difficulties don't diminish your worth. The challenges they face are theirs and not a reflection of your qualities or what you deserve. It's a matter of understanding that, no matter how much someone might like you, if that person isn't ready or able to reciprocate, it doesn't mean you're any less valuable. It just means that, at that moment, they can't handle the depth of what they feel. You actually carry immense energetic strength within you, a strength that becomes even more powerful because of your boundaries and your genuine effort to do what's right. Your capacity to act with integrity is something extremely valuable and rare. They are deeply reflecting now, trying to find ways to make things work between the two of you. They feel bad about how they treated you in the past, and in this process of reflection, they've realized how important you are to them. Although they may not openly show it, deep in their heart, they feel, I still want you, even if I can't show it. It's really evident that this person still harbors deep feelings for you. They want to be by your side, they want to make things work between you, but they keep it all inside. They isolate themselves in their own thoughts, trapped in their own mind, and don't share these feelings with anyone. However, inside them there's a certainty: you are an incredible person, someone kind, inspiring, caring, and those are qualities they deeply admire. This person is facing an intense emotional battle, but amidst this struggle, they know that you are the one who has always been by their side, offering support, understanding, and love. And that's exactly what attracts them. That's what they value most in you. They want, with all their heart, for things to work out between you two. They yearn for a relationship where there is collaboration, where both can work together, side by side, to build something solid and lasting. This desire to make things work isn't just a fleeting wish, but rather a deep need to create a partnership based on respect, affection, and cooperation. They understand that this will require mutual effort, but they're willing to try, willing to commit. They see in you not just a partner, but someone with whom they can build a future, someone who completes them in a way they never imagined possible. So even if they don't express this in words or obvious gestures, within them there is a genuine desire to be with you, to share their life with you. They want to work as a team, want to face challenges by your side, and above all, they want you to be happy together. They know the road may not be easy, but they believe that with patience and dedication, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve the happiness you both deserve. They want, more than anything, to make things work with you, because they see in you something they haven't found in anyone else. Within them, there's a flame that burns silently, even if it sometimes seems hard to see. This flame represents a deep desire to be someone better, someone who is up to everything you share. They know that this process isn't simple, that there's a storm of emotions and thoughts that sometimes leaves them lost, but they are determined to navigate through all of it. It's not that they don't know what they want. On the contrary, they know exactly, but they also understand that this clarity requires an internal transformation. They are on a journey of self-discovery, of growth, seeking to be emotionally and mentally strong. This path is full of ups and downs, moments of doubt and uncertainty, but every little advance they make is motivated by the love they feel for you. They know that to build something true, something that really lasts, it's necessary to find an internal balance. And this balance, they realize, is something that requires time, patience, and above all, a genuine desire to evolve. There are days when everything seems heavier, when doubts and fears take over, but even on those days, they don't think about giving up. Because for them, all this effort has a purpose: to be with you in a full and true way. They understand that to be able to offer you the best of themselves, they first need to be well with themselves. This effort to grow, to be a better person, is proof of how much they value what you have. And it's important for you to see this, to realize how much they are dedicating themselves. It's not about seeking perfection, but about becoming the best version of themselves. And this process, even if it's not always visible, is a profound gesture of love. Every step they take, every internal battle they win, is a demonstration of how much they care about you and the future you have together. This journey they are facing isn't easy, and they know it. But the love they feel is what moves them, what gives meaning to every sacrifice, every effort. They believe that, in the end, everything will be worth it, because you'll have something stronger, more true. What they're doing, this search for being someone better, isn't just for them, but also for you. And that's a gesture that deserves to be recognized, because it's something really special and rare. They're going through an extremely difficult phase, something that deeply affects their soul, childhood traumas that were never really healed. These traumas aren't just marks of the past but still echo in their current life, shaping their emotions and actions in significant ways. It's like they're constantly carrying an invisible burden, something that weighs on their heart and directly affects their ability to connect with the people around them. Additionally, they're also facing other draining challenges, like financial problems and concerns about their family. These responsibilities are always present, occupying their mind and draining their energy, which makes it even harder for them to focus on other areas of life. It's crucial to understand that this situation is occurring while they are desperately trying to understand and process their emotions. They're dealing with an intense level of stress, which is a direct reflection of those childhood traumas that haven't been overcome. The fears and insecurities that haunt them, like the constant thought, "What if all this goes wrong?" only fuel their anxiety further. But even in the face of all these challenges, they are fighting, trying to overcome these obstacles and find a path that leads them to a place of inner peace. This realization can bring some relief to those accompanying their journey, realizing that despite everything, they are trying their best. However, it's equally important to recognize that dealing with someone in such a complicated situation can be exhausting. Not everyone is prepared or willing to face this level of emotional complexity, and if you feel that you're not ready for this, there's no need to force yourself to continue. What truly matters here is recognizing that each of us has our own battles and limits, and it's up to you to decide how far you're willing to go alongside someone who's facing such deep wounds. You are the person occupying their thoughts now, and the intensity of this feeling is undeniable. They want to be with you, they really do, but there's an inner voice that makes them stop, reflect, and ponder, "Wait a minute, I need to get organized, prepare myself to be someone who's worthy of you." They are aware that there's a path to be followed, that there's a necessary effort, a personal commitment they still need to reach to be by your side in a way that truly makes sense. They carry within themselves a deep desire for healing, to be present, aware, and in total balance, both in the present and in the future. However, their past is a place marked by challenges, by difficult moments that left their scars. They've already dealt with a lot of stress, faced situations that wore them down, and when they look at their current life, they realize they still haven't reached where they'd like to be. But within them, there's an unshakable determination that all this will change. They are determined to transform their reality, to make the necessary changes to create a more harmonious future, where they can finally be at peace with themselves and thus be able to be by your side in a full way. They understand that to achieve this, they need to work on themselves, strengthen their mind, heal their heart, and free themselves from the chains that the past has imposed. This transformation isn't just for them, but also for you. They believe with all their conviction that you deserve the best of them, what they have that is most true and complete. And that's why they're willing to dedicate themselves, to grow, to evolve. They want to be by your side in a whole way, with an open heart and a calm mind, ready to build something real and lasting. They're on a personal journey, seeking to be the best version of themselves, so that when they finally are by your side, it's for real, with everything they have that's most beautiful and true. They know that what you can build together is worth it, and that's what they're focused on, creating a present and a future where you can be together, fully connected and in harmony. I understand that right now you may be going through a difficult time, carrying an emotional weight that might seem unbearable. It's totally normal to feel this way, considering everything that's happened. But I want you to know from the bottom of my heart that you have extraordinary value, a value that, amidst all this, can be hard to recognize. The person beside you sees in you a kindness and sincerity so intense that they are impossible to ignore. You are someone genuine, who demonstrates an emotional maturity that many can't achieve, especially in complicated moments. Within you, there's an impressive inner strength, a capacity to face and sustain difficult situations without giving up, without running away. It's this essence of yours, this resilience and maturity, that makes you so special to this person. They see in you the ability to understand and deal with emotions in a way that perhaps they themselves are still learning. And this, for them, is something of immeasurable value, something they deeply appreciate. They understand the impact that their actions, or perhaps their lack of clarity, had on you. If at any moment they wavered, oscillating between being close and pulling away, creating in you this feeling of an emotional game, know that they are determined to change that. They want to end this cycle of pain and uncertainty because they no longer want you, or themselves, to be trapped in this suffering. They're looking for a new beginning, a restart where the pain is left behind, where you can build something new, more solid, and more true. I know it may be hard to see this now, but there is a real opportunity for healing and renewal in this situation. It's a chance for both of you to leave behind the wounds of the past and start over, with more clarity, more sincerity, and above all with more love. You deserve this. You deserve this peace, this new beginning. Never forget that your value is immeasurable and that there's a path of light and hope ahead. Believe that better days are coming and that this restart can bring everything you've always desired, a lighter, more true life, full of love and understanding. This person in your life deeply knows your worth. They see something special in you, something that inspires them and makes them want to be better. Deep in their heart, there's a desire to feel that same inspiration, to have that same strength that you carry. And undoubtedly, the connection between you is something powerful, with the potential to grow even more. But it's important to remember that this growth is a process, something that takes time and requires patience. It's not easy, I know, but it's part of the path you're walking together. They're going through a complicated moment, trying to find stability within themselves. Motivation seems distant, and genuine joy is hard to reach. I understand, this constant struggle is exhausting, but it's also transformative. Every day that passes, they become stronger, even if sometimes it's not so evident. And with this growing strength, they will inevitably feel a real desire to get closer to you, to be by your side and offer much more than they've offered before. This will happen, it's certain. Don't be swayed by the challenges that arise along the way. They think about you often, miss you in ways you might not even imagine. And at some point, they will take the next step. When that moment comes, the decision on how to react will be entirely yours. The choice will be in your hands, and you will have the power to decide what is best for you and for this connection. Trust your intuition, your feelings, and the deep knowledge you have within yourself. That inner strength is what will guide you in your choices, always. If what I've said makes sense to you, if you feel that this message touches something inside you, I encourage you to leave in the comments, "I trust in God's plans." This simple gesture can bring immense peace and renew your confidence in what's to come. And if this message has brought you something good, share it with those who might need to hear this, leave your like, and subscribe to the channel to continue receiving words that speak to the heart. Thank you so much for being here. May God guide all your steps, always.